Today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 366 different strategies, with 117 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 262 of the other strategies that we have put up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,038 indicators, with 431 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto day trading strategy. And so the source video says, the best trend indicator on TradingView, 400% profit. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of it. Now, I will say I don't think it's the best trend indicator on TradingView, even by the standards of the source video that does some pretty in-depth testing of the strategy and different strategies. And so yeah, I think it's just a little bit of keyword stuffing there to make it sound great, but in the source video it did very well. And in the source video on the crypto coin, they tested it on the 30-minute time frame. So I thought what we would do is test this on the 15-minute time frame to see if it was still able to hold up and maintain any kind of profitability. And so that's kind of where we're at today with this testing video. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the indicators we have on screen. So we have a blank chart. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the radius trend indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And it'll look something like this here, kind of similar to like kind of a super trend. I've seen a few other indicators, kind of something like it, similar to the super trend, but like I said, not quite. Basically, we just have where price is kind of jumping above and below these areas, kind of identifying when there's an uptrend and a downtrend. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be just a standard EMA. And so scroll down here, type in EMA, and it's going to be the moving average exponential right here. That's just a built-in TradingView indicator. Go ahead and add that to the screen, jump into the settings of this one, and we're going to change it to a 200 period. And the style, you can do whatever you want. I left it on blue and bumped up the line weight just a little bit, so that way it's a tad bit easier to see. Then lastly, what we're going to do is we are going to add the ATR bands indicator. Type in ATR bands, and it's actually going to be the second one right here by the Alexander TH. I'm not sure if that's the full name, but the second selection. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Jump into the settings, and under the inputs, you're going to want the multiplier upper, multiplier lower to both be 2. Go ahead and click OK. And everything should look as I have on screen now, and everything is set up for the trades and signals. So for a short trade, what we are looking for is price to be trading below the 200 period moving average. And then what we want is the start of a downtrend. And so you can barely see this kind of blip right here that starts to take place. And again, this is very similar to like the super trend, where price drops below that kind of cloud, and as it drops below it, it starts to turn that kind of brownish reddish type color like this here. And so you can see how when it starts, it's barely noticeable, but you can see it right there. and that will be the signal to then enter into a short. And so what we'll do is we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop. It's kind of hard to see because it's embedded into price action, but if we hide it, our stop is going to be right here at this upper ATR band, this green one right there. And let's turn price action back on, and our target is going to be basically a 1-to-1 risk reward, or very close to. We have the lower red ATR band right here will be the take profit. Let's go ahead and play this forward, just a couple bars, and close. There we go. Finally comes down, hits our take profit. Really close to our stop right there, but didn't quite stop us out. Alright, and for a long trade, what we're looking for, so we're looking for price to be trading above the 200 period moving average, and then we're looking for that little bit of blue to start to appear. It's actually kind of hard to see because it's hidden behind the moving average, but it actually appeared on this bar right here just as two little lines. If you wanted to wait for confirmation on the next bar here, you can see a little bit of blue background start to appear, and that would be your signal to then enter into a long. And so we'd enter right here, and then what we're going to do is put our take profit right here at the green upper band, ATR band, and the stop at the lower ATR band. Again, it's just a little bit over a 1-to-1. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And a little bit nicer move there. Pretty much just make this nice climb to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 28 winning trades and 22 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 56% win rate. And so with the 1-to-1 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $600 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $13,200, and so your total gain would have been $3,600 altogether. So definitely not bad results, especially for dropping it down to a 15-minute time frame from 30-minute time frame. Still held up really well. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 47 trades altogether. We had 38 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $22,800. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. So definitely better results. That's not even using the position management strategy that I've been teaching the patrons here recently, which would increase that win rate even more into the high 90% area. And so realistically, the total gain on the Academy of Forex indicator would have been around $22,000. And so really better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to $100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex indicator within an hour. And recently we've been working on a crypto scalping strategy. You can see some of the trades from that strategy here on screen now. Also using the position management strategy partially that I've been teaching the patrons I spoke about just a minute ago. So some really good results. If you're interested in seeing this crypto scalping strategy, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Just click on that. It'll take you down to 2 thumbnails. Click on the one that says new crypto scalping strategy and it'll take you straight to that video. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the yes list and we'll move on to the next video from here.